Hey guys, here's the next part to this live mixing session of a rock track from Cody James MSC, so let's jump back in. Alright guys, jumping back into this rock mix. We are almost done. Just a few little polishing tweaks to try to make it sound as pro as possible. And then I think I need a few little mix tweaks still. I did a little pre-reference listening to kind of get my ears tuned into this style of music. So I listened to some Green Day. Chris Lord Alge is one of my favorite mixers, so I figured I'd, try that. And I think after listening to that, I'm going to make a few little mix tweaks, and then we are going to tune the vocals and then bounce it out. So let's jump in.
The waxman melts at your feet. The mask I wear.
One of the things I noticed was I had the electric guitars a little too loud, so I'm going to turn those down a little bit.
Oh, my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You are.
And then I think I want to look at the kick just a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to change anything, but I do want to test some things.
The mask I wear, you'll burn away. I try to hide from your presence, but now I see you with unveiled face. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. The waxman melts at your feet.
Okay. So I got it to where I think I like it, and then I just dialed it back a little bit because it was a pretty drastic change. And that's just from listening to the reference mix beforehand on Chris Lord Alge's drums.
From your presence, but now I see you with unveiled face. You know my frame, but you love me all the same.
And that was a pretty weak tom hit right there, so let's see if we can substitute that for a better one. And I think the easiest way would just be to duplicate this channel so I can line them up. Line that one up. I'll delete that one and then see.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me
snare hit was out of time, so let's see if we can fix that.
You called me anyway.
Hoping I don't have to go the whole quantize the drums route. I'm hoping I can just slice and dice, but let's see. Okay. All right, let's bust out the flex time. I don't know if I'm going to go the whole quantizing route. I might just see if I can flex just this overhead to get that cymbal to extend all the way. Oops, nope, no, let's do undo. We just want this one. We want to extend this cymbal.
But you called me anyway.
Perfect.
The waxmen melt at your feet.
Let's just make sure I got the timing right.
Anyway. The waxmen melt at your feet.
I think I just have the kick too loud in general. I'm going to bring down that top kick a little bit.
Rags I wear, you'll strip away. I try to run from your presence, but as I let go, I wish to stay. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've
Okay, so first thing on these builds, whenever you're doing, any sort of triggering or sample triggering, um, obviously some of these lower volume hits aren't going to get triggered, so sometimes it's best to just cut the slate trigger off during a build and then bring it back in, when it's at this part over here when it's, he's doing full hits.
But you love me.
So let's see what happens if we just turn it. Well, okay, so we can adjust the mix knob is what we can do.
My friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend.
Okay. I don't think we want to go that low. I think we're going to start to bring back in the other snare right about here.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway.
And we're going to clean up that tom hit right there. The hits sounded fine. I think just the volumes were off a little bit. So I think it was these two middle ones that might be too loud. Yeah. I'm going to drop these a few dB. Maybe a little more. Okay.
You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are here.
Sounded like there's a little double trigger happening there.
I adore.